What's going on, guys? Welcome to week 6 of the Going More Marathon prep. It is Saturday morning at about 6:30 a.m. I'm just drinking my morning coffee so I can go number 2 here in a little bit. I'm getting ready for my 18-mile run this morning, and I thought it'd be a great idea to show you guys everything that I eat in a day on these days that I do long runs. So to start off with, I got my coffee, and in this bottle I've got a scoop of BPN G1M Sport and a scoop of G1M Intraflight. And then during the run, I've got this handheld water bottle, which has another scoop of G1M Sport and another scoop of Intraflight. And I'm also going to carry with me a goo. I believe this is lemon lime flavored. I may not use this, but I figured I'd bring it along just in case, because the last run I did, I felt like I didn't have enough fuel with me. So bringing it along just in case. All right, I'm gonna finish this coffee, let it work its magic. I'm gonna hit 18 miles, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys everything that I eat today. Let's get started. All right, I'm in downtown Greenville. Of course, the one day I bring my drone, it's rainy and foggy and I can't fly it. I feel like I haven't really shown you guys Greenville yet. But luckily, I got the GoPro with me, so I will try and get some shots. I'm gonna run right through downtown Greenville, and it is absolutely beautiful, so I'll try and capture it. And as excited as we are to move to Austin, we're gonna miss Greenville a lot. It's beautiful here. There's so much to do. It's so nice and clean. Everybody here is super friendly. The weather's great. I'm sure we're gonna love Austin too, but I could definitely see us coming back to Greenville and living here in the future. But anyways, let's go get this 18-mile run knocked out. See you guys in a little bit. Whew, 18 miles complete. I had 18 miles, 2 hours, 12 minutes, 7 minutes, 21 second minute per mile pace. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the run that this was a negative split run, meaning I'm starting the run at about an 8:30 minute per mile pace, and then each mile I'm slowly getting faster and faster and faster until at the very end of the run, I was doing about a 6:15, 6:20 pace. That was a tough one. It felt pretty good though. Legs felt fresh, felt good, felt fast. Time to go be lazy for the next couple of days. Eat a lot of food, get some good recovery in. So let's head home and make some breakfast. Okay, first thing I do after every single run is I take my Reds and Greens. Time to start flooding the body with nutrients. All right, I'm gonna chug this, I'm gonna go hop in the shower, and then I'll be right back, and we're gonna start cooking up some food. Did you just poop on the carpet, little guy? You sure did, didn't you? Just a nice old dump right on the carpet. You don't even care though, do you? You took a shit right on the carpet. Yes, you did. All right, we're all showered up and ready to start making some breakfast. First, I'm gonna start with my Superfood Smoothie. I drink this smoothie every single day. I've been doing it for the last couple of years. It will change a little bit just depending on what ingredients we have in the house at the time, but for the most part, it stays relatively the same. Grab a seat and buckle up, because it's a lot. Let me show you. Okay, first I'm gonna start with 2 bananas. Typically I'll throw in some berries, but we do not have any berries at the house right now. I'm also gonna throw in a couple slices of beets. I'm gonna add some beet juice. I'm gonna add some almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. I'm gonna add a scoop of BPN vegan protein, peanut butter cookie flavored. I'm gonna add in a handful of this organic baby spinach. Now, I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of all of these things right here. So first we've got turmeric, that's great for inflammation. We got a mushroom powder blend. It's got like 15 different mushrooms in there. Great for cognitive support, gut health, all kinds of stuff. We got flax seeds. We got chia seeds. We got hemp seeds. All the seeds are great for natural sources of energy and good whole foods fats. We've got maca powder, loaded with vitamins and minerals. We've got MCT oil powder, comes from coconuts, and this is great for gut health and immune system and hormone balance. And last, but certainly not least, is spirulina powder. If you don't know what spirulina is, it's an algae from the ocean. And this stuff is just loaded with nutrients. It's got a lot of protein. It's got a ton of vitamins. It's got all kinds of stuff. I could go on for days about the benefits of it. Might deserve a whole nother video. Same with beet juice. Beet juice is so underrated. If you do not incorporate beet juice into your diet every single day, especially if you're an endurance athlete, you're messing up, man. You got to get some beet juice in your life. All right, I'm gonna throw all these in the Nutri Ninja bottle, blend it up, and get to drinking. And there you have it, one delicious, nutritious, incredible superfood smoothie. Time to make some waffles. Okay, so in another video, I already made a variation of these protein waffles, but I figured I'd go over it again really quickly. So I'm gonna do a couple scoops of BPN peanut butter cookie vegan protein. I hate using Bisquick, but that's the only pancake and waffle mix we have, so gonna have to deal with the deadly seed oils for now, I guess. I've got some pure, 100% pure maple syrup. That will just go on top. I've got some organic coconut oil. I'll put some of that in there. Got a banana. Got some dark chocolate chips. Gonna throw in some flax seeds, some chia seeds. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. Give it a little pumpkin spice action because, you know, it's the holidays. Then I'm also going to add in a couple teaspoons of vanilla. I'll mix all this together with some almond milk, and I'll probably throw an egg in there as well. Just throw it all into a bowl, blend it up, and throw it in the waffle maker, and you got yourself some delicious protein waffles. Okay, the first two protein waffles are done. I've got the third one in the waffle maker now. They smell good, they look good. I cannot wait to eat these. In the meantime, while that one's finishing up, I'm gonna put together something I have been eating every day for the last, my gosh, I don't know, 10 years, I would say. So I'm just gonna throw a handful of this organic baby spinach into the skillet, heat it up a little bit, let it shrink down. Then I'm gonna just throw in a couple of eggs. I believe these are like free range eggs. Got these at Whole Foods. And then I'm basically just gonna scramble the eggs with the spinach. Super simple. I'm gonna throw on some of the classic Trader Joe's everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. This stuff I put on just about everything. And I'm also gonna top it with a little bit of Cholula hot sauce. This is literally what I eat every single day. It's so good. Most people are probably gonna think it's pretty boring, pretty bland, but it's simple, it's easy, it's healthy, it's nutritious, and I think it tastes good, so I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, eggs and spinach are all done. Waffles are all done with some syrup on top. Time to scarf this down and get some food in my body because I am starving. Okay, I am in the office just working on the vlog right now. I'm almost done with it. And I'm about to drink one of these Harmless Harvest chocolate coconut smoothies. And I've got to say, these might be my favorite drinks of all time. I only discovered them a couple weeks ago. I'm a huge fan of coconut water. I love Harmless Harvest coconut water. It's pretty good. And then I saw these in the store. They might be new. Maybe that's why I only recently found them. But it's literally just organic coconut water, organic coconut meat, and they basically blend that together to make a smoothie. And then this one, because it's chocolate, has some organic cocoa powder and sea salt. Holy smokes. These are so good. It's almost like chocolate milk with a little coconutty in it. I don't know, this stuff is good. It's organic, it's whole food, no GMO, no artificial crap in there. It's good. Plus, get some extra electrolytes following that long run this morning. So, highly recommend these. Oh, hi y'all. All right, I'm about to start cooking the last meal of the day. We got some good stuff tonight. Let me show you. Okay, I'm keeping it super simple. I've just got 3 things. First, I've got some baby Dutch yellow potatoes. I'm gonna make smashed potatoes. This is a recipe that BREE found on Pinterest. Then I've got some asparagus that I'm going to bake. And last but not least, I've got some elk steaks from good old Wyoming that my mom brought for me last week. Some of the leanest, highest quality meat you can probably get on planet Earth is wild elk. So what I'm gonna do with these steaks is I'm gonna get the pan super hot on the stove and I'm gonna sear them for probably 60 seconds each side, and then I'm gonna bake them in the oven for probably 4 or 5 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, for the asparagus, I prefer to bake my asparagus. I think it gets it crispier, and I don't know, I just like it better. I think it's easier to clean up too. So, super simple. Again, I'm just gonna cover it with olive oil. Then I'm gonna do some salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, and I'm gonna add some lemon pepper as well. And I may even add a little bit of lemon juice, but I don't know if we have any, so I gotta check before I do that. Do we have lemon juice?
Nope.
Sick! We don't have any lemon juice. Do we have lime juice?
Used lime last night?
None of that either. No lemon or lime juice on this asparagus, I guess. Lemon pepper's gonna have to do. Alright, the asparagus will get put in the oven with about 15 minutes left on the potatoes. And in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the elk steaks. So on these, I'm just going to do some salt, some fresh ground pepper, and my favorite, some ghee, which, as I've explained in another video, is derived from cow butter, and it's just the oil, so it has no casein or lactate. And it has some amazing flavor and adds some good, healthy fats. Okay, I got a nice sear on these now. Now I'm gonna throw them in the oven at 400 degrees for just a few minutes. Okay, potatoes are just about done roasting. I'm gonna take this glass and smash each one. Then I'm going to put them back in the oven on broil for a couple minutes, get them nice and crispy, and you've got yourself some smashed potatoes. Oh my goodness, I would say we cooked this up to perfection. The steak is nice and rare, not too overdone, not too underdone. Potatoes are nice and crispy. Asparagus is good and crispy. A good Whole Foods meal following a long 18-mile run this morning to refuel the body. My mom is in our kitchen tonight, cooking up some early Christmas dinner, late Thanksgiving dinner, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you guys what we got. We've got our signature candied sweet potatoes. Those look delicious. Making some gravy. We've got bacon, green beans. We've got homemade mashed potatoes. Delicious. And last but not least, this bad boy. This is a free-range turkey that we got from Butcher Box that we have dished up very nicely. We have chopped up carrots, celery, and onion stuffed up inside. Got some butter, garlic, and thyme smothered all over the top. Baked it for a couple hours. That's gonna be delicious. Bree's over here stabbing toothbrushes into balls, doing art for school. If you didn't know, she's in interior design school.
I'm in art school.
You're in art school for interior design. How's that? Look at all that. Wow. A true artist. All right, cutting this bad boy open. We cooked it in this oven bag here. It looks a little weird, but they do some wonders for your turkeys. That looks about perfect. Nice crisp outer skin. Juicy tender interior.
Interior?
That's how you cook a turkey. And here we go. We got the green beans, the turkey and gravy, mashed potatoes and gravy, candied sweet potatoes. My goodness. That's a post-Thanksgiving, pre-Christmas meal if I've ever seen one. All right, we're going to enjoy this feast that we have cooked up tonight. Merry early Christmas and a happy late Thanksgiving.
Where do I look? I'm looking over here. Okay. Merry Christmas early. Happy Thanksgiving late.
Yeah.